Friends, I am Biren Kumar Jasani and I represent Jasani LLC. I'm a mechanical engineering graduate from Sardar Patel College of Engineering, Mumbai University, and an IBPC member for 15 years now. I have a small family. My wife, Shilpa, is an editor for a couple of magazines in Dubai. My son, Shrey, is an alumni of Columbia University, New York, and an ex-McKinsey strategy consultant. Last year, he decided to come back and settle in Dubai and join the family business. So what is Jasani? Jasani, we are the largest wholesaler stockist of promotional gifts, branded merchandise, corporate gifts, rewards and recognition solutions in the region. We have offices and warehouses in Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, India, and Nigeria. So we are part of a global organization, Prominent, where 60 companies globally are part of it, and we participate in tenders globally for Mondelez, Nestle, Siemens, British Petroleum, and who's who. And we procure those tenders, and Jasani takes care of the Middle East part of this. So this is kind of a profile that Jasani has in this part of the world. We are the only members of EPAG Global Network from the Middle East. It's one member per country, but we have been selected to represent a region. This is a 55-year-old global gifts industry think tank. We are the appointed vendors in the region to multinationals as Siemens, Castrol, British Petroleum, Pirelli, and a few others. What do we offer in general? We offer a global reach and a regional expertise. We have about 2,500 SKUs of products in ready stocks. We have a branding and quality consistency on offer to the clients so that across the region, Middle East and Africa, they have the same quality products, the same kind of a branding consistency, which brands are very sensitive about. And because of all this geographical places that we are in, we offer seamless and rapid logistics across the Middle East and Africa. We have more than 250 plus vendors who are compliant and audited. So our supply chain is meeting the standards of every multinational that's required here. We have web shop solutions, which means that a client can come on board our web shop. We can do a custom-built website for them, and their stakeholders could come in and purchase as per their requirement. We would stock their products based on a certain kind of a commitment. We do this with Siemens. We do this with some other companies here. So this is the kind of fulfillment we offer. We have a university merchandise platform, and we are going to bring many universities on board on this platform so that the university merchandise can be across the region, because this is a non-starter business until now in this part of the world. When we enter a contract with a corporate, we guarantee them annual savings, we guarantee them a good reporting and ease of small ticket procurement where they don't need to get through to few quotations and negotiations. We have a proprietary certified carbon tracking tool that measures the carbon footprint of each and every product that we supply. This enables us to offer certified carbon neutral products and merchandise to global conglomerates. These are all game changers in this part of the world that only we do as such. We represent global brands here as Samsonite, Moleskine, Tumi, XD Design, Santhom, and a few more. So if you can sum it up, it's a major stock available. So you have a ready stock, consistent branding, consistent quality, compliant audited supply chain. We can measure and offset carbon footprint and accordingly the CSR of a corporate, seamless logistics across the Middle East and Africa, and fulfillment and reporting as required. So to sum it up, we are always ahead with solutions that are futuristic and visionaries, and members can contact me for various above requirements. But let's say we make a beginning with your gifting solution, one where you take off the headache of engaging your employee and his time for 3 quotations and small ticket negotiations, where we provide fixed pricing over 1 year and a web-based buying access. Thank you so much, and looking forward to other presentations. Thank you.